Hey you guys, welcome back. My name is Capri, if you didn't know, and on my channel we like to do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content. So for my second installment on how to do basic makeup needs, we are doing your eyebrows. As you can see, your girl don't really have no eyebrows and they are not done. So this video is definitely very beginner friendly, and let's just jump into the video. Okay, as you guys can see, I brought you in real close, okay? So we are going to do your brows in literally like 3 easy steps. It does not have to be complicated. So for the first step, we are going to use the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. I am in the shade 3.75. First, we are going to brush our brow up. If you see me looking down, it's because I'm looking in the mirror just so I can show you guys what I'm doing. And we are going to start with outlining our lower part of our brow. You literally just want to follow the brow shape. You don't want to deviate from that unless you want your brow to come out, but just follow your natural brow shape. So we're just going to start there. And I'm not pressing hard at all. All right, you see, that was not that hard. It already looked like I got something going on, okay? So we just want to make sure you're dispersing that product, so make sure to keep brushing it up with the spoolie end of the brow pencil. And I am going to line the top as well. Just like that. And next we're going to do hair-like strokes throughout the brow just to keep it very natural. As you can see, we got a brow there, okay? And we're just gonna brush that up. And then I'm going to clean the front right here just a little bit so that it looks more cleaner. Yep, I'm gonna fix this right here. Okay. Okay, so for our next step, we are going to take a brow gel. So you can use different types of brow gels. Today, I'm just going to use a tinted brow gel just to give my eyes more definition and a little bit more dimension, if that makes sense. I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Brow Gel. This is in the shade dark brown. And I like this brow gel because the brush is pretty small, as you can see, compared to my brow. And we're just going to brush that up. I'm doing it very light because I don't want to leave any harsh lines in my brow like I accidentally did in the front. But that is okay because we're just going to fix that. And as you can see, I'm just brushing my brows up. That's literally all we're doing. Bam, that's it. That's it, girl. Now you can use other brow gels such as the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Hold. I think that's what it's called. Or you can even use the Anastasia Brow Freeze, which is my #1 favorite. And I'm just going to brush that through just to make sure it don't look crazy. And just clean it up a little bit. But for our next step, I am going to actually clean up my brows. I'm going to use the One Size Concealer in the shade Dark 1. And I'm going to take a flat shader brush like this. This is the Makeup by Ariel brush. And I'm just going to clean up my brows starting at the bottom. You want to start in the middle like this and work your way down. You don't want to put too much product in the front. Just like that. And then you can work your way over. So now I'm going to blend that down into my crease just to make myself look more uniform. So I'm just going to blend this down. And what I'm going to do next is, while this is kind of drying down some, I'm going to clean up the top of my brow with whatever's left over on the brush. So we're just going to keep it flat just like this. And I am going to just slide it across my face. Just like that. And you see, it makes it look, it looks more cleaner. I'm going to bring it down just a little bit more. Now I'm just gonna blend the rest out with my concealer brush, just so it looks clean. It doesn't look like I have a shadow around my brows, because we don't want to be looking crazy. And there you have it. We got our brows done. You see, that was like 3 steps. It doesn't have to be that complicated. And as you can see, my brows are sisters. They're not twins, because brows will never be twins, okay? I don't care what you do, all right? This is the finished product. If you would like to see how I create a flawless base for makeup, then stay tuned to the next video. But I will chit chat with you guys in the next video. Bye.